We are from Group 3. We had conducted a survey through online using Google Form to a number of 30 respondents among athletes. And now we will analyze the data collected using the SPSS. First step, we have to download the data into Excel file. After complete downloading the file, open your SPSS, click File on the top left of your screen. Click Open and choose the Excel file you just downloaded. Step 2. Make sure all the data have been transferred into the SPSS. Check if there are any missing or data error. Now, we have to do the normality test on the data, but we have to calculate the average score of each dimension by using manual scoring. These are the steps to do manual scoring. Click Transform on the menu bar, then click Compute Variable. At the Target Variable section, insert our first dimension, which is Experiential Benefit, short form as AB. Select Statistical on the Function Group section, then double-click on Mean. Insert all the items under Experiential Benefit into the numeric expression column. Then click OK. New column will appear on our data view. Repeat the same step for the rest of the dimension and variable. Now, all the average score have been calculated, including loyalty intention. But the variable brand image benefit yet to be calculated. Repeat the same steps, but now insert the dimension into numeric expression to calculate the average score of the brand image benefits. Now we can continue with the normality test. Select Analyze on the menu bar. Select Descriptive Statistics, then select Explore. Insert the variable, which is brand image benefit and loyalty intention, into the dependent list box. Click Plots, tick Histogram and Normality Plots with Test. Click Continue, then click OK. The output window will appear. Scroll down until you see Test of Normality. Because our sample are only 30, we have to look on the Shapiro-Wilk significant value. The result show that the p-value is 0.002 less than 0.05. This means that the variable is not normally distributed. So we will use non-parametric test, which is Spearman correlation, to analyze both numerical variables. Since the data is not normally distributed, we will continue by analyzing the descriptive statistics. Based on the project requirement, we need to analyze all demographic variables and all the study variables, including experiential benefit, symbolic benefit, social benefit, functional benefit, appearance enhance, brand image benefits, and loyalty intention. First, we will analyze the demographic profile of our respondent. Click Analyze on the menu bar, then select Descriptive Statistic. Next, click Frequency. Now, insert all the demographic variables into the variable box. This includes age, gender, family, socioeconomic status, and preferred sport brand. Make sure the option Display Frequency Table is ticked. Then, click Charts. Select Bar Chart because all demographic data are categorical variables. Click Continue, then click OK. SPSS will generate frequency tables together with bar chart. From the output, we can identify the frequency and percentage for each category. For example, we can determine how many respondents are male and female, the age distribution, family socioeconomic status, and the most preferred sports brand among the athletes. Next, we will analyze the descriptive statistic for all the dimensions and variables that have been calculated through manual scoring. Click Analyze, select Descriptive Statistic, then click Descriptive. Move the following variable into the variable box: experience benefit, symbolic benefit, social benefit, functional benefit, appearance enhance, brand image benefits, and loyalty intention. And then click Options, tick the following statistic, which is mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Then click Continue, and finally click OK. SPSS will produce a descriptive statistic table. From this table, we can obtain the mean score, standard deviation, minimum value, and maximum value for each variable. The mean represents the average score given by the respondent. Next, we will answer our research objective, which is to investigate the relationship between brand image benefit and loyalty intention among athletes. Since our normality tests show that the data are not normally distributed, we will use the Spearman rank correlation test, which is a non-parametric statistical test suitable for non-normal data. Step to perform Spearman correlation: click Analyze, select Correlate, then click Bivariate. Insert brand image benefit and loyalty intention into the variable box. Under correlation coefficient, untick Pearson if necessary and tick Spearman. Make sure two-tail is selected. Tick Flag Significant Correlation, then click OK. SPSS will generate the correlation table. From the output, we need to look at two important values. The first is the Spearman correlation coefficient, also known as RSO. This value indicate the strength and direction of the relationship between brand image benefit and loyalty intention. The closer the coefficient is 2 plus 1, the stronger the positive relationship. The closer it is to negative 1, the stronger the negative relationship. A value close to 0 indicates little or no relationship. Secondly, we examine the significant value, also known as the p-value. If the p-value is less than 0.05, it means there is a statistically significant relationship between the two variables. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, it means there is no statistically significant relationship. Finally, we conclude whether the research objective is achieved based on the Spearman correlation result.
In conclusion, there is significant relationship between brand image benefit and loyalty intention because value of P 0.001 less than 0.05.